Hey, do you want to know what are the 11 healthy superfoods that you should eat after 40? If you do, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the amazing benefits of these foods and how they can help you stay fit, young, and energetic as you age. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos every week. So why do we need to eat superfoods after 40? Well, as we get older, our body goes through some changes that affect our health and well-being. For example, our metabolism slows down, our hormones fluctuate, our bones and muscles lose strength, our skin loses elasticity, our immune system weakens, and our cognitive function declines. These changes can make us more prone to chronic diseases, such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, arthritis, and dementia. That's why we need to pay more attention to what we eat and how we eat it. But don't worry, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or bland. There are many delicious and nutritious foods that can boost your health and vitality in your 40s and beyond. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein, healthy fats, and other phytochemicals that can fight inflammation, lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, protect your brain, enhance your mood, and slow down aging. Sounds good, right? So without further ado, let's dive into the 11 healthy superfoods that you should eat after 40. 1. Berries. Berries are one of the best sources of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from free radical damage and oxidative stress. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation, aging, and disease in your body. Antioxidants can neutralize them and prevent them from harming your DNA, proteins, and membranes. Berries are especially high in anthocyanins, which are pigments that give them their vibrant colors. Anthocyanins have been shown to improve blood pressure, blood flow, memory, cognition, and eye health. They can also lower the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and cancer. Some of the best berries to eat are blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, cranberries, and cherries. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, dried, or in smoothies, salads, desserts, or jams. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are another great source of antioxidants, as well as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them ideal for weight management and detoxification. Leafy greens are particularly rich in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting, bone health, and preventing calcification of the arteries. They also contain folate, which is important for DNA synthesis and repair and preventing birth defects. Some of the best leafy greens to eat are spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, arugula, romaine lettuce, and cabbage. You can eat them raw, cooked, or in soups, salads, sandwiches, wraps, or juices. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and minerals. They can help you feel full, control your appetite, and lower your cholesterol. They can also provide you with energy, improve your brain function, and support your mood. Nuts and seeds are especially high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your heart, brain, and eye health. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, prevent blood clots, and improve cognitive performance. They can also protect you from depression, anxiety, and dementia. Some of the best nuts and seeds to eat are walnuts, almonds, pistachios, cashews, pecans, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. You can eat them raw, roasted, or in trail mixes, granola bars, nut butters, or salads. 4. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and versatile foods you can eat. They contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They can help you build and maintain muscle mass, which is important for your metabolism and strength. They can also support your brain, eye, and skin health. Eggs are especially high in choline, which is a nutrient that is involved in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for memory, learning, and mood. Choline can also prevent fatty liver disease, which is a common condition in older adults. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoids that can protect your eyes from macular degeneration and cataracts. Some of the best ways to eat eggs are boiled, scrambled, poached, or in omelets, frittatas, or quiches. 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented dairy product that is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics. Protein and calcium are important for your bones, muscles, and teeth. They can help you prevent osteoporosis, fractures, and tooth decay. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and help you digest food, absorb nutrients, and fight infections. They can also improve your immune system, lower your cholesterol, and regulate your blood sugar. Yogurt can also help you balance your hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone, which can fluctuate in your 40s and cause symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and weight gain. Some of the best types of yogurt to eat are Greek yogurt, kefir, skyr, or plain yogurt. You can eat them plain with fruit, granola, honey, or nuts, or in dips, dressings, or sauces. 6. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of animal protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It can help you maintain your muscle mass, which can decline as you age. It can also support your heart, brain, and skin health. Omega-3s can lower your triglycerides, raise your HDL, good cholesterol, and prevent arrhythmias. They can also improve your cognitive function, mood, and memory. They can also reduce inflammation, which can cause pain, stiffness, and swelling in your joints. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, which is a pigment that gives it its pink color. Astaxanthin is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your skin from UV damage, wrinkles, and sagging. Some of the best ways to eat salmon are baked, grilled, broiled, or in salads, sandwiches, or sushi. 7. Oats. Oats are a whole grain that is high in fiber, protein, and minerals. They can help you lower your cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar. They can also help you feel full, control your hunger, and lose weight. Oats are especially high in beta-glucan, which is a type of soluble fiber that can bind to bile acids and prevent them from being reabsorbed into your bloodstream. This can lower your LDL bad cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Oats also contain avenanthramides, which are antioxidants that can prevent oxidative stress and inflammation in your blood vessels. Some of the best ways to eat oats are in oatmeal, porridge, granola, muesli, or cookies. 8. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is high in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. It can help you lower your cholesterol, improve your blood flow, and nourish your skin. Avocado is especially high in monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart and brain. They can lower your LDL bad cholesterol and raise your HDL good cholesterol. They can also improve your cognitive function, mood, and memory. Avocado also contains vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble vitamin that can protect your skin from aging, dryness, and inflammation. It can also boost your immune system and prevent infections. Some of the best ways to eat avocado are in guacamole, salads, sandwiches, wraps, or smoothies. 9. Garlic. Garlic is a herb that is high in sulfur compounds, which are responsible for its pungent smell and taste. But don't let that deter you from eating it, because garlic has many health benefits. Garlic can help you lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. It can also help you fight infections, boost your immune system, and prevent cancer. Garlic is especially high in allicin, which is a compound that is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin can inhibit the growth of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It can also prevent the formation of blood clots and plaque in your arteries. Some of the best ways to eat garlic are in soups, stews, sauces, dressings, or roasted. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is high in curcumin, which is a compound that gives it its yellow color and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin can help you lower your inflammation, pain, and stiffness in your joints. It can also help you prevent and treat arthritis, which is a common condition in older adults. Curcumin can also help you protect your brain, liver, and digestive system. It can improve your cognitive function, memory, and mood. It can also detoxify your liver and improve your digestion. Some of the best ways to eat turmeric are in curries, soups, teas, or golden milk. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a treat that is high in flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can improve your blood flow, lower your blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. They can also improve your brain function, mood, and memory. They can also protect your skin from sun damage, wrinkles, and dryness. Dark chocolate also contains magnesium, which is a mineral that can relax your muscles, nerves, and blood vessels. It can also help you cope with stress, anxiety, and insomnia. Some of the best types of dark chocolate to eat are those that have at least 70% cocoa content and are organic and fair trade. You can eat them plain with nuts, fruits, or yogurt, or in desserts, cakes, or brownies. So there you have it. These are the 11 healthy superfoods that you should eat after 40. By adding these foods to your diet, you can improve your health, well-being, and longevity. You can also enjoy the delicious flavors and textures of these foods and have fun with your cooking and eating. Remember, you are what you eat, so eat well and live well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. See you soon.